explanation. Retained earnings account. We have two retained earnings accounts, master data, GL accounts, preparations, define retained earnings account. In our chart of accounts, we have a two retained earnings account. So the objective of the retained earnings account is that to transfer my profit and loss balances to the next, to the year end, or to carry out profit and loss opening balances to the next financial year. So what system is trying to do here, the moment when I create the GL account, okay, now you can see here, now you have the two retained earnings account. Now you have the two retained earnings account. System is trying to look at to which GL account you want to transfer, which GL account to use from these two GL accounts, from these two retained earnings account, which one should we nominate, which one we are going to nominate in order to post my this salaries related expenses account. Either you can go 100 or 10101. But this is optional for you. Remember, this entry is an optional. Entry, not entry. The profit, the retained earnings account mapping. I have mapped purposefully two GL accounts here. But few organizations will maintain only one. Few organizations will maintain only two also. But what I would say, in real time environment, I have seen one retained earnings account will be sufficient. Okay, in my past experience, I never ever seen two retained earnings account. So the problem here is that again, while creation of the GL account, we have to key which one is relevant for this one. Which one is relevant for this one? Okay, if you have only one retained earnings account, this system, this option doesn't ask. If I can see here, see now, make an entry field. This, see now, both are asking make an entry field, group account name, group account. Okay, we understood for group account. Okay, but now this one will not ask you in case if it is a one retained earnings account, because system will consider by default the postings will get posted into that retained earnings account. This is also interview question. What is the purpose of a retained earnings account? Then can we have two retained earnings account? If we have the two retained earnings account, what we have to do at the time of creation of GL account? The explanation which I have already given. Okay, so now is it clear for all about a retained earnings account? About
Yeah,
while
yeah.
yes, yes,
But
Srikanth.
I have questions.
Yes,
If it is, let's say, as you said, that is retained account is only one sufficient for balance carry forward. But
yes.
why we are actually now creating two? So
No,
only
no, no.
expense.
See, no, no, Srikanth. See, initially, purposefully, I have created two retained earnings account because the reason being that I would like to show this mapping.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay. I got
okay. Because yeah, this is a interview question, Srikanth. Because if we do not have clarity, then someone will ask you. Then again, we may miss something. Okay, that is the reason I would like to show this option. Okay.
it. Okay, got it, got
Okay,
it.
okay, 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 no problem. So what I'll do, see, if I keep it one retained earnings account, this option will not be appear because the system will consider that as a default retained earnings account. Let's see. Okay, I'll keep it only one because I would like to show. Okay, only one it is there. One has been removed. Now let me come from the beginning. Now you can see here the up. Okay, let me go to. Let me create the G. See now, the option itself it is not there because some people may not show that option because you people should not confuse later stage. Okay, what is retained earnings account? If I have two retained earnings account, what we need to do? See now, the option below there was an option that has been hide. Okay, so meaning that system it's only looking only one retained earnings account that is defaulted. Okay, nowhere, no need to update. assign here, but still this one is a required FSP0 chart of accounts, right? Let me go for what is this 400 191 right? Okay, let me create this one. See, group chart of accounts. Now you can see here. Okay, I would like to show. Okay, I have not yet assigned a group chart of accounts. Okay, let's see what it will happen. Let me assign the cost element category 1. Open item management is not applicable. Sort key, give the 001 001 001 here. G001. See now, make an entry field group account number. So the system is looking for the group chart of accounts here, group account number. This we have not given. That is the reason system is throwing that error. Okay, so now balance sheet, it's a primary cost and revenues, then expenses account, chart of, see now this is chart of accounts level. Okay, expenses chart of accounts. Oh, okay, what is the group chart of accounts I have given? Let's see. OBD4. Here also, I don't think that, because in operational chart of accounts itself, we have assigned 1 second financial accounting master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts. Now, if I go to here, what is assigned the group chart of accounts? See, M&M, the group chart of accounts which was assigned is a M&M. That is what it is creating the problem. /n FSP0. Here you have to give M and M. Yes, now that error. Now we can create this one. See now, primary costs and revenues. Now it is the expenses account. Now it is allowing. And okay, let me create this one. 412. Okay, rent account. Now you can see, now system, now we have created the GL account. Okay, now let's move on to the, now let us continue yesterday discussion. Okay, so now, okay, so now I'll take the same example here. First, let me post the GL account. Okay, let's say the rent provision. So what would be my accounting entry here? So now expenses account will be debit, outstanding account. Expenses account will be, okay, sorry, instead of expenses, rent account will be debit to my outstanding account. Outstanding account will be credited. Okay, so now while clearing outgoing payment, so outgoing payment, what it will happen then? So now outgoing payment account, then outstanding. So what we can do? Outstanding. Outstanding account will be debit here to bank account. Okay. So now to bank account, what it will happen here? Okay. So now I'm making the payment provisions. Okay, let us see this one, how it is going to work as per our residual payment. Okay, yesterday I have already given the clear information. Now let us see this one once again, the scenario. Okay, so now this is the transaction code. Let me use F-02 for this one. The transaction code is F-07. Okay, now let us see the accounting entries. /n F-02. First, let me post the accounting entry. So rent account is debiting, outstanding account is crediting. Remember, so my rent account, rent account. No amount to tolerance, range for company code. I've already mapped. I don't know, but why it is giving. Okay, let's see. So now let's say the 50,000 rent which we are making. I'll put it here. Rent for the month of May 2024. 50. So now credit. Credit is the outstanding item. See now 50,000, 50,000 assigned amount and entered amount document simulated. Okay. Now bank account is crediting, outstanding account is debiting here. Okay. Now full payment. Okay. Full payment. Anyhow, we know that full payment. Okay. Anyhow, we know the full payment. But let us see the partial payments. See, at this moment, these two options are I am not using because since it's a part of bank accounting, I will explain in detail about that one. Okay, let me go for the 35,000. I'll do the payment 35,000. Then give the GL account, process open items, go to the partial payment. Partial payment 35,000. I am making payment. Remember, still 15,000 will be remain same. Okay, so now let me display the document. I will not post any document because we would like to see. Okay, first let me display this one. Simulate the document. So now bank account is credited. My outstanding account is debited. So as part of, if I want to use the partial payment, as we have seen in the yesterday scenario, this document will not be cleared. On top of it, the system will create one more document. Okay, let me post this one, partial payment. See now the document 1000106 has been posted. Let me refresh the list here. See now what it has happened here, 10006 it has been posted. Now on top of this, on behalf of this document, it has been posted. Now what is happening here? Now you can see even amount also it has been reduced. Amount also, okay, it has been reduced here. This is a credit, this is a debit here. Now 14,750 still it is outstanding. Okay, so now let us see quickly yesterday's scenario. This I will keep it as a separate as per our yesterday's discussion. Now I'll change the amounts here. Okay, so now first let's see the here is the rent payable, then rent payable, then it's a payment from the bank. Okay, 1,000 rupees here it is there, 1,200 it is there here. Okay, rent payable, I'll put it here is there. I'll take only one example because if you people will get confused, rent payment is a 50,000, the amount is there. Okay, so now the document what it has been posted, I remember 1005 which was posted is a 50,000 rupees. Remember, now 1005 the document value is a 50,000 rupees. But now partially I made the payment with 00. then I'll also remove this one. Okay, F dash 07 006, which I have posted is a 35,000 rupees. Am I right? So out of 35,000 rupees, then what would be my outstanding here? My outstanding still here is a still 15,000 is the outstanding. Okay, what we could see here. So now what it will happen, the same whatever it is replicated in the system, this and these two, still two line items are in open state. Still two line items are in open state. I do not want to, okay, clear. I mean, system is not yet cleared the moment when I selected the partial payment. Okay, now Srikanth and all, is it clear now? First scenario number one for partial clearing. Is it clear first?
Yes.
Okay. So yesterday, because the accounting entries which I have posted in a wrong way, so that could be the reason you people got confused. Okay. So now what I'll do quickly, let me post one more document here. Slash n f dash 02. I'll take the same example. Rent account. I'll post some. Okay, here let me give the this. For this is the document which I am posting to see the residual item. Okay, remember. Enter. The cost center is required here. Star document simulate post it. Okay, so now let me go and display the document here. Okay, for residual payment, refresh it. Now you can see the 1 lakh which I have posted. So document 1007. Let us amend our document also. Okay, this is a 7. Document value is a 1 lakh rupees. Now let me clear the document. Okay, let me execute the outgoing payment. Okay, from 1 lakh, let me make the payment 95,000 rupees. Okay, let me make the payment 95,000 rupees. So 5,000 will be the balance. Process open item. Oh, sorry, account I have given is the wrong. Sorry. Now it will allow. First deactivate select all and deactivate select all and deactivate the one which I want to process. I'll select only that one. Come to the residual item here. Come to the residual item. Then 95,000 I want to process here. Okay, just double click here. 5,000 rupees will be the balance here. Simulate. See now the new document, it will clear. See, the first thing would be here. What it will happen? It will clear my original document and it will post a new document for outstanding amount. Now let me post this one. See, the document 1008 has been posted here. So 1008 is my 95,000 rupees. Then what would be my outstanding here? So outstanding is a 5,000 rupees. It is there. Now let us go back and see the. Now I'm just refreshing this one. List and refresh. You can see the 1 lakh rupees 007 document has been gone. Now you can see here. You can just go and all items execute it here. Now you can see the 1 lakh which you can see here. It has been cleared with this line item. So what it will happen, the accounting entry you can see here. So now your bank account has been credited. Outstanding amount still outstanding. This is a payable amount. See, the original amount is a debit. Okay, original amount which is a 1 lakh rupees, but still you have to pay. You have to pay to, okay, still 5,000 rupees. Still it is a open state. Okay, 5,000 rupees. Then from bank account, you have already made the payment. So now again, if you go and clear this one, then the 5,000